So this little demo is just to help you silhouette your portrait and give yourself a white background with a black silhouette or a black background with a white silhouette. So if you remember from the class demo, you first select away the background, making sure that you first click your layer and get it to be a transparent layer, and then select away your background like that, and then you can refine the edge up here in order to get yourself a little bit better edge, but I would not use this particular overlay. Let's try the one that lets us see best what we're doing. There we go. I like that one. And if you need to, you can work a little bit to get the edges the way you like, but really it doesn't have to be any more detailed than this. So you say yes, and now you have a selection. See the selection ants right around here. So all you have to do is make a new layer while you have that selection active, and go to your edit menu, go to fill, and choose black. And so if you shut off this bottom layer, now you have a black background with a white figure, and there's nothing inside here. So if I hold down the command key and click, you can see that there's nothing inside that layer. So I'm going to delete the selection now. Go to select, deselect, and now if I need the opposite, if I need a figure in the center that's black and a white background, all I have to do is click on that layer. I go up to the select menu and say load selection, and I can choose that layer 1 there. See, layer 1, and now it loads that selection, and I can invert the selection going up to the select menu, inverse. Now I have the inside selected, not the outside, and I can make another layer, fill it with black this time again, and now I have just the opposite. So if I turn off that bottom layer there, and I do deselect with Command D, select, deselect, Command D, there I have it. So now I can put objects that I want over this area here in other layers. I can start to bring things in. So for instance, I wanted to bring something new in. Color like that maybe. And I can just take this new layer and I can select all with Command A, copy, Command C, and then I can go to my other object there, and I can paste, Command V. See, right there, it says Command V. So now the color, of course, is on the layer above. I'll just bring it down below, bring it down below. So if I was using this one here, with the black background, all I have to do is put all of my other layers below it. If I wanted to do the other, which is to use this image, and I wanted this layer to only work inside the area that's black, then all I have to do is use this one here as a mask. So I can command click on that, or command click on this layer, it doesn't really matter. And I can mask this layer by clicking the mask, and see how it masks away whatever was selected. And I can still move this image around by going to the Move tool here, and if I unclick the link between the two, I can move this anywhere I want without changing the position of the mask. It's just that easy. And another thing is, of course, I can fade things in. So if I wanted to fade that in, I could get the Gradient tool, make sure this is set to the second square, and I could draw a black gradient this way, fades it out. That's another lesson, really. The main point is to just start building your color layers. Work with opacity, whatever you want to do at that point. That's it.